Hello and welcome to another episode of Mobile's Tech Land. In today's video, I am going to show you how I generated these 4 images using AI for free. First, go to the website leonardo.ai and then click on Get Started. Then sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation and then type any prompt you desire. In my case, I am going to take help from Chatgpt. I asked Chatgpt to write a prompt for me, and the result I got was a mesmerizing Ultra HD digital artwork with vibrant colors, soft lighting, and perfect composition. The scene is highly detailed with smooth gradients, cinematic lighting, and a dreamy atmosphere. The image should evoke a sense of beauty and wonder, with harmonious color balance, intricate textures, and a soft, glowing effect. The aesthetic should be visually captivating, making it impossible to look away. These are the 4 images I got from Leonardo.ai for free. If you want to generate more images like these, create multiple Gmail accounts and use them accordingly. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.